So I'm here at the Carl Kreider farm looking at two Meyer spreaders, 8720 in the back, SXI720 in the front. Yeah, so what's different about this one is almost doesn't look factory added, but it was. This is a braking system on this spreader, which typically is not available with the smaller tandems. You can get the brakes with the 28L by 26 tires. So I believe this is a similar braking system to what they have on the XT2200 trailers. One more thing I didn't mention, I'd forgotten, the spreader actually has the center of those tandems is 13 inches farther back than standard. The customer just needed more tongue weight for traction on his terrain. I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but it's sloping and hilly. So, and he likes it. Says he wouldn't want to go any farther, but 13 was good. And just show the brakes here a little bit, which you'll be able to see. Yeah, I'm looking at this for the first time too here. So here's some extra sides. Not sure what they're made out of. Don't feel like metal. I think he did that on his previous unit. Force the pattern inward more. That almost looks a little different. And I do know that is an extra top piece he's added there, I'm assuming for the splash, to keep that splashing out. So now on this side, I'm guessing he normally loads from one side, from the left side, driver's side, because on this side he's got a board added to elevate that top, get it up there higher. All right, so I popped the top, the lid, climb up here and take a look. So there's the 3 gears, 3 different speeds. Guessing that's spare chain. The gearbox is gone. Show you what we need to see. My understanding that he disconnects the chain and moves it from one to the other to get the speed that he wants. This arm, it's a tensioner arm, so this is different.